guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a carry monitor into your WordPress website. It's a very important developer tool that you can apply to your site to have more ideas about the scripts, the time that it takes, the codes, the quality, possible errors, error lines, and things to fix in order to make a better website. First thing, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins, and click into the sub-menu, add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to search plugins, we're gonna click and type carry monitor, just like this. And here is the guide that we're looking for, carry monitor, the developer tools panel for WordPress. Click on install now. Then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on our site. But if you review your WordPress toolbar, you're gonna be able to see the new and the carry monitor, okay? And right here we have a lot of options to comply and to play with, but let's focus into one by one. If you click into this toolbar, you're gonna be able to see the overview, the doing it wrong, database carry, the timing, logs, requests, admin screen, styles. As you can see, you have an option to monitor all of the carries of your site, okay? Persistent object graphics plugin not in use. You have also some tips to optimize your site. Let's close it and let's explore this a little further. Click into the settings of the plugin, and right here we're going to be able to see a couple of options. We have the appearance, we can change for light mode, dark mode, we can change the editor, you can change the position in the case that you want. And that is, now you have a carry monitor. If you go to any page of your site, for example the home page, as you can see, there is a carry. There is 2 PHP errors into this page. As you can see, here is the errors. It's pointing to a plugin. We can review this later. We can contact the plugin developers to review the possible issue. We have some duplicate carries that you can optimize the site in order to save some time. And you can repeat this process into every single page of your site, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!